Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can create your own Wise account. So we are on the wise.com website and we are just going to click on open an account. Now once you open here, it's going to ask you to register your email address, or you can log in with Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID. So we're just going to go onto Google and we're going to choose our account. Now once you are here, they will ask you what kind of an account would you like to open. I'm going to go for a personal account. Where do I live most of the time? I'm going to add my country, and then I add my phone number here, and I'm going to get a verification code. Now once I get the verification code, I will enter it onto the website, and here I will create a password. Now once we have created a password, we have created the account. Now once you have created the account, you will need to enter your data. So here we will need to enter our data. So the month of birth, date of birth, whatever. And once we have finished this, enter our address as well. And here we add who's our recipient, so let's just say myself. Enter your account details, and here you will need to enter your bank details and your IBAN and everything else. Now once you have added your data, you will be on this part of the website, and here you will have different options. So you can send money, you can add cards if you are one of the countries that are eligible for this. You can make payment management, and also here you can go onto the settings and you can go onto connected accounts, and here you can connect your bank account. So once you connect your bank account, you will obviously have access to your money, which then you can send in different currencies, in different ways, however you want to do. And all you have to do is click on connect your bank account, and your bank account needs to be located in one of these 3 countries. So yeah, this is the entire process. Here you have it will show you the exchange rate for everything, and yeah. So this is basically the entire process. It's really easy and simple. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.